Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and record high quality video with OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So without wasting any more time, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, go ahead and launch your OBS Studio as an administrator. And now simply go ahead into your settings. Once you're in your settings, go to output right over here. And on your recording settings, you want to simply go ahead and put the type to standard. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and select your video encoder as NVENC H.264. Normally it's on X264, which is a software, and NVENC is going to be the best hardware for recording. And on your rate control, I want you to go ahead and select constant bitrate. Normally it is on variable bitrate. What constant bitrate does is it makes the quality better and also keeps the bitrate constant. And on the bitrate right over here, for my PC, I know that I can simply handle this much kbps. However, you can record anywhere from 6000 to 8000 kbps as well if you want to. Tuning, make sure that it is on high quality. Preset, I'll put it to good quality. You can put it to best if your PC is even better. That is about it. Now all you need to do is just click on start recording and you'll be having a very good quality recording. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.